Hey, what's up guys? Nick here from Rad Dad Builds. So, have you ever been in a situation where you've just finished tiling your new kitchen or your new bathroom and it's time to silicone, and when you do silicone, it turns out to be a right mess like this? Ah, what the piece of Well, if you follow along this video, I'll show you exactly how you get a professional finish the easy way. And as always, roll that intro. So you want to make sure that the two surfaces that you silicone in are dust, slime and grime free. So I spent a bit of time with a microfiber cloth just to remove any of the dust residue from the grout. And then I go around once more with a disinfectant wipe or like a cleaning wipe. This just removes any grime or slime that may be there. A good clean surface just enhances the bond between the silicone. So there's a few things you need for a job like this, and that's a silicone that matches the surface that you're siliconing to. I found one that matches the colour of my grout, a spray bottle with a 50-50 mix of water and soap, a silicone gun, and a wet rag. So to start, you want to cut the tip of the silicone tube. My silicone gun has a little cutter on it, but you can choose a knife for this. I basically just cut like a 45-degree angle at the very tip. You don't want to make the hole at the end too big, because then you'll have a massive bead of silicone, which you don't want. So you can see here that I hold the silicone gun at between a 30 to 45-degree angle. And taking my time, I do a nice slow, consistent bead of silicone. You really want to take your time at this stage and get a nice consistent bead all the way down your tile with little jumps or staggers. Once you have your nice consistent bead of silicone, I give it a light spray with the soap and water. So essentially, the soap and water doesn't allow the silicone to spread any more than you've originally laid. So using my finger, I can push the silicone into the seam while removing any excess silicone without spreading it across the surfaces. I go back over this with my finger a couple of times just to make sure that I have a nice consistent seamless bead of silicone. I repeat those steps on all horizontal and vertical seams. And there you have it. It's pretty easy really. You just want to make sure that you spend your time getting that nice consistent bead at the beginning, and then the rest is easy. So this video is part of my home DIY series, and there's a bunch more to come, so if you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe and like and comment and all that jazz, and go follow at RadDadBuilds on Instagram and all other platforms for more day-to-day stuff. And as always, stay rad. Peace.